like a stork flying high. Up in the sky, the sound flows through your heart like wings through the night, beating higher and high. This is our sound. This is our vibe. Join us on this trip so high. Listen to the sound of the stork on this radio show.
May I please have this dance? This is where opportunity meets chance, where purpose meets a plan. A new possibility, a new day. May I please have this dance? This is a new life, a new way. So, may I please have this dance?
like an open door. Feeling hit me like the sunshine. More alive than I was before. It's like I'm seeing for the first time. My soul is like an open door. Feeling hit me like the sunshine. More alive than I was before. It's like I'm seeing for the first time. My soul is like an open door. Feeling hit me like the sunshine. More alive than I was before. It's like I'm seeing for the first time. My soul is like an open door. Feeling hit me like the sunshine. More alive than I was before.
day för tiny där det fam day. Det får de golden set fam day. Det här on the one bill day. Det får de golden set fam det fin day för tiny där det fam day. Det får de golden set fam day. Det här on the one bill day. Det får de golden set fam day. Vi rap ko haram konga mi. Fam my name, them a call to in place with music, they one and for all. The people them a beg me super DJ for more, because they love the way we play the hardcore. Them a jump and shout like a goal just score. Watch out, them bubbling on the dance floor. The vibe them hot and the music wicked. We come fi nice up the life where you live. Jump and shout and tell them be positive. Live the life you love, love the life you live. Some a fool, never know the rule. Them never they go to basement and school. But we's willing to teach them we actually make sure we stand the next victim in a killing. Cause we have the knowledge we go and good college here plus in our history and know economics and we love music. Now when we bust up the garage, if a guy want test for him there. victim in a killing. Cause we had the knowledge, we go and put college here. Plus in our history, I know economics and we love music. Now when we bust up the garage, we got one test, we're in there. Boy out a road for we name them a call. Bout them up in this basement jacks after all. When we check it out, them brain it small. 7 time rise, 7 time will fall. Top plate, I bust up my shop, the dance hall. Crowd them on the receiving end, them a ball. Who them a ball for basement name, them a call. Through the place with music for one and for all. The people them a beg the super DJ for more. Because I love the way we play the hardcore. Them a jump and shout like a goal just score. Watch out, them bubbling on the dance floor. The vibes them hot and the music wicked. We come for nice up the life we a live. Jump and shout and tell them be positive. Live the life you love the life you live. So think about mama, them a big fugitive. And if it pop off, they go on nobody if we live. If them about mad, then nobody shoot. They all know they not them yard with them Bible a beg. But some a fool, never know the rule. They never they go to basement jack school. But we's willing to teach them be a shilling. Make sure we not the next victim in a killing. But some a fool, never know the rule. They never they go to basement jack school. But we's willing to teach them be a shilling. Make sure we not the next victim in a killing. Now we have the knowledge we go and put college here. Plus in our history, I know economics and we love music. Now when we bust up the garage, we got one test for it there.
You're looking nervous, like you're afraid of fail. Now you're making an excuse about your feeling pain. Just don't waste the time, cause you get me mad. I have a fit down there, that could bite your broomstick hard. What you waiting for? Put your back in it, just a little more. Try your waist in it now, tell your body again. Fuck it hard and long. When you finish that, how are you go downtown? Go down, go down, go down, go down.
tell you what I'm feeling inside. You got me feeling. Seems like I'm sitting at the red light, and it's on your burning eyes. I see them signaling. Would it be wrong if
you
like a stork flying high. Up in the sky, the sound flows through your heart like wings through the night, beating higher and high. This is our sound. This is our vibe. Join us on this trip so high. Listen to the sound of the stork on this radio show.